Feeling stressed, distracted, or like life is just passing you by? You're not alone. Most of us spend nearly half of our waking hours on autopilot, our minds elsewhere, far from the present moment. But what if there was a simple way to flip the script? Enter mindfulness. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword, it's a centuries-old practice that's now backed by science. It helps you reduce stress, improve focus, and reconnect with the world around you. Today, we're going to share 12 clear signs that you might need more mindfulness in your life, plus actionable tips to help you get started. First, what exactly is mindfulness? At its core, it's the practice of staying fully present in the moment, free of judgment or distraction. Research shows that mindfulness not only improves mental clarity, but can also boost productivity and happiness. The truth is, most of us aren't mindful. Instead, we're bouncing between thoughts of the past and worries about the future. But it doesn't have to be that way. Here are 12 signs you need more mindfulness, paired with easy-to-follow solutions that can make a difference today. 1. You struggle to stay focused. Ever read the same sentence 5 times without absorbing a word? If focus feels like an uphill battle, a mindfulness practice could help. Try this. Take 5-minute mindfulness breaks throughout your day. Focus on your breathing or what's happening around you. No judgment, just presence. 2. Your stress levels are skyrocketing. Feeling constantly on edge? Chronic stress is a major red flag. Try this. Start your mornings with a quiet, 2-minute mindfulness ritual. Set an intention for the day and ground yourself before the chaos begins. 3. You're always multitasking. From responding to emails during lunch to texting mid-meal, juggling tasks may seem productive, but it often leaves us scattered. Try this. Commit to single tasking. Whether it's eating, writing, or chatting with a friend, focus on doing one thing at a time. 4. You feel disconnected in relationships? Being physically present but mentally checked out? It's time to reconnect. Try this. Practice active listening. Look your loved ones in the eye. Resist the urge to interrupt and truly hear their words. 5. You're caught in the past or future. Do what-ifs and should-haves dominate your thoughts? It's stealing your present moments. Try this. When you catch yourself ruminating, gently bring your attention back to now. Focus on your breath or the task you're doing. 6. You're struggling with sleep. Does your mind race the second your head hits the pillow? You're not alone. Try this. End your day with a body scan meditation. Focus on relaxing each part of your body to ease tension and quiet your thoughts. 7. Small things feel overwhelming. If a slow internet connection sends you spiraling, this could be a sign you're out of balance. Try this. When frustration rises, pause and take 3 deep breaths. This simple act helps you reset. 8. You're missing small joys. If you can't remember the last time a sunset or your favorite coffee made you smile, it's time to slow down. Try this. Write down 3 simple things you're grateful for each day to reconnect with life's pleasures. 9. Work feels like an endless grind. Burnout creeps in when we're stuck in go mode with no pause. Try this. Use the 3x3 rule. Take 3 mindful pauses each workday, each lasting 3 minutes. Reflect on what's going well and realign your focus. 10. You can't put your phone down. If Instagram and TikTok are consuming your downtime, it may be time for a reset. Try this. Create no-phone zones at home like the dinner table or your bedroom to foster mindful interactions. 11. Your inner critic is too loud. Do you replay mistakes on a loop or criticize yourself constantly? Mindfulness can help you practice self-compassion. Try this. When negative self-talk arises, ask yourself, what would I say to a best friend in this situation? 12. Life feels like it's flying by. If the weeks blur together, and you can't remember the last time you felt truly alive, mindfulness can help you reconnect. Try this. Take a mindful walk without headphones. Notice the sights, scents, and sounds around you. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward creating a more present, peaceful life. Mindfulness isn't about doing things perfectly, it's about progress. Start small, stay consistent, and see the positive ripple effects it has on your mind, body, and relationships. And remember, life isn't waiting. It's happening right now. Take the first step toward a more mindful life today. You've got this.